So you want to try the world's most intuitive, affordable video to motion capture solution? Not a problem. Now today's sponsor, quickmagic, has got you covered. Now you guys know I'm really picky about sponsors. I get hundreds of emails every few months from lots of random companies that want me to sell you guys stuff, but I have a personal rule before letting sponsors on the show, and that rule is the service they offer has to be something that I myself would actually use in my own workflow or pipeline. And that is when most sponsors fail to meet my standards. But as someone who has been using quickmagic for the last 2 years, I can wholeheartedly endorse it as a video to motion capture solution for 3D animators and game developers. And that's because out of all the MoCap suits and animation software that I've tried, quickmagic is by far the best balance between affordability, ease of use, and quality. In the past, I've used other motion capture like iPie, Connect, iClone, and even a full body suit with Rococo, which is like $6,000 of the bodysuit, the gloves, the facial rig. A MoCap suit is really expensive, and even after all that money, it still didn't really capture the fine movement details. And I ended up spending most of my time cleaning up animation that probably I could have done manually. On top of that, it was a hassle to put on. And whenever I had technical issues with the suit, I was stuck exchanging emails and technical support debugging why the suit wasn't working, or video calling to try and get it to connect properly. But then quickmagic approached me and said,
"Hey, I think I can save you money, time, and stress."
I figured, what do I got to lose? Go ahead and show me what you got. Now, I'm an Unreal 5 dev, so I asked them if they had any specific way to export to Unreal 5 or Unity, and they told me,
yes, that option is $9 a month.
So I tried it for a month, and in the next 5 minutes, I uploaded a video, dragged in the Unreal 5 mannequin, picked the export settings, and about 10 minutes later, it spit out an FBX animation that I could drag out and use directly in Unreal 5 for my characters. Now let that sink in. I went from paying $2,000 for the suit, $1,700 for the gloves, $90 for a dedicated modem or router, $450 for the headgear, and a yearly subscription to use the facial motion capture software for $600 a year, to $9 a month on quickmagic to get 88% of the same quality that I used to have from the suit. And I didn't even need a specialized router. I didn't have to put anything on. I didn't have to spend weeks debugging why the suit wasn't connecting to the router, or even really learn how to use the software. It was literally upload the video, pick what software you're going to, click the button, and you're done. And the best part is you can use it for free if you want. If you don't want to pay $9 a month, they have a free tier where every month they give you 50 points. And you can use them however you want. Each point is about 1 second of animation at 30 frames per second. Now, I usually work with a team to make one animation a month. They're like close quarters combat assassination animations, and they're about 3 to 5 seconds long. So every month I'm using about 4 to 5 points, which means the free tier is actually enough credits for me to do most of my work. The only reason that I've chosen to pay $9 a month is because I just don't feel like retargeting, and they have an Unreal 5 export solution right there. But if you really want to save money, you could just get the free version and then retarget the animation to whatever skeleton you need. And if you use my link in the pinned comment with the promo code ROYALS, you'll get an extra 70 points from the link, and if you subscribe to the free newsletter, you'll get another 50 points on top of that, for a total of 120 extra points compared to everyone else signing up. If you saw the last 2 cinematic animations that I made in Unreal 5, those were MoCapped in quickmagic, and then I just cleaned the data manually with traditional animation skills in Cascader. And next month we will use quickmagic again to recreate some more close quarters combat assassination animations from my favorite John Wick fights. So the software is legit. It's easy, it's affordable, it gives you 88% of the quality that you would normally get from a full body suit, and it just got a major update. Before, it was great for grounded animations, but it would struggle to do acrobatic or any animations where the feet would be away from the ground for an extended period of time. This was one of my first feedback and critiques that I gave them a while back when I started using it last year. And it's just so refreshing to see a company listening to the feedback and actually trying to solve it. So in this update, they have a new version called V2, and in the V2 model, if you have animations where the feet are not supposed to be planted on the ground, the animations don't spaz out anymore, and everything looks a lot smoother. So, I hope that helps those of you who are looking for affordable, easy, and quality motion capture solutions. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.